Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Epidemic sound music to Canva. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, under Canva, make sure that you are under the video section or even presentation, okay? So let's just go ahead and select this option right here, landscape, for example. And then after that, let's go ahead over to Epidemic Sound and find a music or a sound effect, okay? So just for this video, I'm going to be using sound effects as it's shorter. So for example, this swoosh right here, download. Wait for it, and then go ahead and save it on your desktop or wherever. And then once that's done, go ahead over to your uploads section. Now go ahead over to this tab, click on audio. Click on upload files. Now go ahead and find the audio that you just downloaded. Okay. Wait a bit. Now go ahead and drag and drop it right here in the music section. There you go. And once done, edit it however you want. That's basically it. That's how simple it is to add Epidemic sound music to Canva. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.